I should have held it longer. I ain't gonna lie, I really didn't need to go crazy today. This was my first day trading on like 5 accounts at one time. All right, what's up, y'all? We back with another video today. Basically, it's March 12th, Wednesday. It's the 8:30 trading block for the New York session. Basically, what I'm doing is basically looking at the market structure for today, and I'm trying to decide on if this pattern continues bullish, and I kind of want to target an entry spot to jump in for a sell position. Like I said, it's the 8:30 New York trading session, and I'm basically just trying to look at the market structure, pre-market, the Asian trading hours, everything was bullish. It went into an uptrend, but I'm basically trying to time my entry for a sell position. I'm basically not expecting this to continue bullish, and I'm trying to pick a spot, wait for the first 15 minutes to kind of sort of tell me like what to do. So, that's kind of like my mindset going into this, and that's kind of the strategy that I'm using. The indicators that I'm using, obviously I use trend lines and fair value gaps, and also use supply and demand zones. Basically what I drew out earlier was, I targeted the Asian highs as the area where it would be a good entry point to jump into as far as like a sell position. It's looking like it's reversing now, but I don't know if I really want to just jump in. It's definitely going into the fair value gap right now. Trading on a 5-minute time frame today, basically just to get like enough information about price action so that I can make a good decision on the entry. If you look at the higher time frames, it's all showing that it was bullish, and it's almost at the Asian highs. Just hit my stop loss, so it might be a good time to jump in once this spike touches this level or touches this price. Also, another indicator that I like to look at is the US dollar index. It's looking like the price is pushing. So normally when a dollar go up, NASDAQ tend to go down, but that correlation doesn't always happen like that. It's not 100% accurate. That's why I use it in combination with everything else. And y'all know, once everything check all of the boxes, that's when I decide to make my trade. You gotta wait for more than one indicator or more than one box to be checked before you jump into a trade. It's looking like price retesting, and it's coming into this fair value gap. Yeah, that probably would have been a good entry. Yeah, that would have been a good entry. Not even gonna lie, it's still the first 15 minutes, but it's looking like it's breaking market structure. Once the price go past this trend line, yep, breaking market structure. Right now, it's currently looking like it's retesting this trend line. Got a good entry. I just didn't take it, and like too timid to take a trade could definitely ruin your trading day. I ain't gonna FOMO into it. I definitely drew it out pretty well with the fair value gaps. That was a good trade setup. It definitely broke structure. I should have held it longer. I ain't gonna lie, but I got a little bit like, I ain't gonna say nervous. I got a little bit cautious because I really didn't need to go crazy today. This was my first day trading on like 5 accounts at one time, so I'm kind of going back to being conservative. I ended up making like 50, at least 250 on every account, so I'm gonna take that profit. I ain't gonna overtrade today, even though I do got trust in my system, which I definitely could have held it longer because you see it's moving now to the downside. But I ain't gonna overdo it today. I'm gonna take it's like almost 300 in every account. So 300 times 5 is what, 1,500? I know I made like a little bit less than 1,500 today, but that's cool. So I'll take that 300 and mark this down in my sheet as a winning day. I'm still gonna practice, take a couple practice trades, but I'm gonna pretty much call it a day right here. Let me show my P&L sheet like I always do. It's just a practice. Like I mentioned before, I definitely took some L's on some of my express funded accounts, but it was dumb, unnecessary L's. So all right, today I took $294 on this account, $279 on this account, $294 on this account right here, $284 on this account, $269 on this account. What I'm basically doing right now, taking these small wins and letting them add up, is really just building a buffer. And building a buffer just mean I got like money to lose in case a trade don't go in my favor, which I wasn't necessarily scared or nothing like that the trades wasn't gonna work out in my favor. It was just like I didn't want to like over trade today. I took that win to kind of sort of like give me a little bit of cushion for my next couple of trades. Tomorrow is Thursday, then we got Friday. We already know Friday gonna be a day where we could get a lot of sales. It's been sales pretty much like all month, well, for the past 3 weeks. So right now I'm just like taking what the market give me, letting it add up. That'll be like one profitable day down in the books so I could get another payout. Today was pretty easy, pretty simple. I ain't want to force nothing and I ain't want to do too much. Of course I could have went for my usual $1,000 per account strategy that I normally, well, not even strategy, my system that I normally go with. Get a 2-to-1 ratio, put up $500 to make 1,000. But I really just took the 300 and I'm cool with that because I got 5 accounts. So that's like, what you do the math, that's around like what, 1,500. So it is what it is. I'm gonna take that W and call it a day. Y'all put it in the comments how y'all trades went today, and y'all basically let me know how y'all trades went basically. Like I always say in every video, make sure that you leave a like, make sure that you comment, make sure you share, make sure you subscribe. Y'all be smooth.